how to use Pinterest. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account and use Pinterest. So let's get started. So first, what basically is Pinterest? So using Pinterest, you can get numerous ideas on any topic you want. You can upload your ideas. You could also create collages, mood boards, and also vibes such as you can decorate your home. You can also get ideas for your outfits, anything you want using Pinterest. So I'm going to show you how you can create an account and also how to use it step by step. So once you're on Pinterest.com, what you're going to do is you can simply head over, search for anything you want. You can do it without signing into your account. But if you want a curated feed that is according to your interest and you want to upload any mood boards as well, you're going to create an account. To do that, you can simply click on sign up over here and then you're going to type down your email, your password, your birth date, and then simply click on continue. And then you'll be asked to type down a name. And then you gotta specify your gender and then click on continue. Where do you live? Click on continue after that again. And then you gotta select what are you in the mood to do. So you're gonna select that why you want to use Pinterest, what kind of ideas you want. For example, I'm gonna click on outfit ideas and some cute animals or fun wallpapers. Let me do DIY projects. And then let's select makeup looks and then click on continue. And now it says nice, select 3 or more pins to start curating your vibe. So you're going to select which type of vibes you prefer regarding the outfit ideas. So I'm going to go with this, and then for DIY projects, I'm going to go with this. And for makeup looks, let's say I'm going to click on this. Then click on continue to your feed. And now it's going to curate a feed for you and tune according to your interest and ideas. And now this is basically your For You page, and it has all of the ideas that you have specified according to your interests. So over here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. One is the home page, that is this one right here. And then we have home, we have create. Once you click on create, you'll be able to see 3 options. One is pin. You can post your photos or videos and add links, stickers, effects, and more. Then we have is board. Organize a collection of your favorite pins by creating a board so that you can organize and add all of your favorite pins within a single board for better reach and that you can simply access it with one click. And then we have is collage, mix and match ideas to build your vision and create something new. So you can simply create collage with different ideas. And then we have is updates over here. So if you have uploaded any pins of your own, if you have created boards, and if people are interacting with your pins and your profile, such as following you, liking your ideas, you'll be able to see those updates over here. And then we have is messages. If you have friends added over here, you can simply type them a message. You can chat with them over here and updates your activity on your pins and boards and give you tips on topics to explore. They'll be here. Okay, after that, we have is the profile. Once you click on your profile, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So we have 3 sections: pins, boards, and collages. So let's say if you want to create a new pin, what you're going to do is click on explore pins or create pins. By creating pins, you can simply click on pin and you can upload any pin of your own. So you can choose a file or drag and drop it over here. They recommend using high quality JPG files less than 20 MB or MP4 files less than 200 MB. And you can also save from the URL. You're going to type down the title, add description, add some link. For example, if it is a product, you can simply add a link to that. Then we have this board. If you have boards over here, you're going to choose which board should contain this pin. And then you're going to search for tags. Click on the tag products and then you can simply post it. So once you have added pins, you need to organize your boards. So what you're going to do is click on boards over here, click on create, click on board, and then you're going to type in the name for your board. For example, I'm going to type in the name such as outfits. And then if you want to keep this board secret, it means that the other people who are following you or any public cannot see your board. This is strictly your personal board and you can keep on adding stuff over here for your own preferences. And you'll be the only collaborator of this board. You can add your own ideas over here. If you wish to add some other collaborators, for example, there'll be a single board and numerous people, like more than one people, can add ideas or pins to that single board so that other people can simply add the board to their profile and get access to all of the pins and ideas. So you're going to click on create, and once done, you'll be able to see your board created. Now it says save some pins to your new board. So let's say you like this outfit, you're going to click on save, you're going to click on save here, and let's say we're going to click on this, then click on done. And once done, you'll be able to see these are the pins that your boards contain. Like, let's go back. And now we have this board over here. If you want to create a new board now, you can click on create over here. This is basically your board. Click on this. And now these are the pins on your board. So if any people just head over to your profile, they'll be able to see board. Click on the board and they'll be able to see all of the pins. Now you can organize your board. For example, you can see that this is the order of pins. You can click on organize and then you can simply reorder your pins over here. You can also delete any board you want and you can also move it around. For example, if you want a specific pin to be at the start, you can do that. And then you can also get more ideas. Click on more ideas and you can add various pins over here as well. Simply click on pin and you're good to go. And you can go back and you'll be able to see that a new pin is added. Now, if you really like one idea and you want to download it, you got to click on it. And after that, you'll be able to see share. Click on share and then you can simply copy this link. You can send it to anyone you want. Click on more actions over here. You can click on download image. You can also report any pin if you think it's against the community guideline. And you can also edit pin. Click on edit pin and now you can simply select your board. For example, you can see that I just added this one and the board outfits. You can simply change the board if you have any other board over here, or you can also delete it from your board. So I'm going to click on delete. Once you delete a pin, you can't undo it. I'm going to click on delete. And now you can see that that pin has been removed from our profile. And just like that, you can simply go back and you can get more ideas. You can also create collages. Click on create collage. And now this is basically the background. For example, I'm going to click on this picture and then I'm going to click on this over here. And let's say we're going to click on this. This doesn't really go with the vibe, but I'm just give you a mere idea. And you can simply create collages over here like this, and let's add this one too. So I'm going to go back and add this. Even though the vibe doesn't match, but I'm just telling this for you. And we're going to add this like this. Okay, let's just crop this a bit like this, and we're going to fit this over here. And after that, you can simply duplicate it if you want. Click on next. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to an interface like this that would ask you to add title, description, select the board, and some alt text. And simply click on publish. So that is basically how you can use Pinterest. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.